Hi, welcome back to episode 3. In episode 2 you would have seen the car being cut up and it was still in its very rusted state. So today I'm unveiling the acid dipped version of the car, and as you can see it's come up a nice bright shiny silver. The things with acid dipping is it's sometimes not recommended because the acid normally sits between the seals and in the panel here. But my version is that this particular car had enough of it removed that it was not a major issue, and the rusted parts at the back would have been further removed had I gone for a sandblasting process. I used sandblasting on the 131, but on the 037 it was an acid dip method. As you can see, I removed the floor, a lot of the centre section of the tunnel, all that had to come out and they've been basically thrown away. They were too rusted. But as you can see, by now removing all the rust and getting to a clean, shiny surface, you can actually see where some of the previous repair fixes have been done, which will need to be modified again. Inside, you can see that the cabin has holes in the seat here and over the other side at the bottom there. I could replace those with aftermarket seals, but they're not exactly the same design. So I'm going to try and repair these ones first before deciding which direction to go. Okay, as you can see, the firewall is very much intact, and that was a crucial part of me making a decision to get this car. The A pillar is intact, the B pillar and the C pillar is all intact. The roof's quite okay. It's just essentially the rear section and the sills that need to be repaired. As you can see on the rear, we've actually put in a bracing, ties into the original seat belt mounts. So this bracing here keeps that dimensionally correct. And as I work through the process of repairing everything, I can then actually add extra bars from here to the front, or leave this intact, build from the front back, and then eventually cut this off. And all this gets changed at the rear for a brand new firewall to match the 037 dimensions.